Here is the side hustle that really works. Listen up, I have a big secret to share. But if you're just a tire kicker and you are going to ask for info and ghost people, just keep on scrolling by. Do me a favor, this ain't for you. There's this new theory out called let them. Now, Mel Robbins talks about this. Let them is the concept that, for example, your friends don't invite you out to lunch. Let them. Your kids don't do what you ask them to do. Let them. Don't try to force them to change to meet your expectations. In their actions, they are revealing to you who they are. And this is a blessing. And this is a similar concept to this subscription membership business. This is so simple. Anyone can win with this. Everyone earns money with this. This is so simple. Anyone can do it. Here, you are not hustling expensive products, not trying to push products on your friends and family. Nuh-uh. You're not having to buy a course to sell a course. None of that digital marketing, MRR stuff, that's out. And the whole Etsy, drop shipping, Amazon affiliate stuff, very low commissions, a ton of work. No, don't waste your time with that. Seriously, you got to look at this new model. Most people don't even understand this. They look at it and they go, I don't understand what this is. And I honestly believe this is that let them principle. This is so simple. And people love to overcomplicate things, especially drama in their lives. This is so simple. This is a business that anyone can do. And honestly, if you can't do this business, you're not going to have any luck online. This is the most simplified, easy to earn, get in profit in your first week business. I know this is so exciting. Like, this literally is what we've all been waiting for. This is the only side hustle you will ever need in your entire life. And this builds future passive residual income month after month. After your second month, seriously, just watch that volume and that income in your account just grow and compound. It is incredible to see it. Even in an account where someone is almost doing nothing, it doesn't matter. It still compounds month after month. We promote the memberships to a platform like Netflix, like Amazon. This is a big platform with multiple different products. At the moment, they've got organic, clean supplement products, but they're bringing on discount water filters. They're bringing on discount travel, electronics, house cleaning products, pet care. Literally, it's all coming. It's about to be in Amazon. So like, people will pay a monthly Amazon Prime membership to get free shipping. With this platform, they pay a very low $9.95 membership per month to access cost price products at cost. Like, literally, this is super, super low cost. No commissions embedded. Why? Because we make commissions from the other tangible product, from the memberships. Now, nobody has done this before, but you think about it, everything is on subscription now. Everything is going to subscription. Your broadband, your gym membership, all your insurances, they're all on subscription. Everything to do with your house and life and health and activities is all on a monthly membership. Your yoga studio, your Pilates classes, even like your beauty box, some beauty products, you just pay a monthly membership to receive products or to receive discounts on products. This is exactly the same, so don't overthink this. I earned 4 figures in my first month in this business. It absolutely blew my mind. And after just 3 months now, I have more than 300 members in my downline. This is ridiculously fast, and you do not have to do much effort. So drop me a heart emoji here in the comments if you want more detail. We've got a Facebook group that you can jump into, and there's multiple videos there and info, so you can really figure out if this is for you. This is not a sales pitch, and this is a let them moment. I want you to choose this for you. This actually can work for everybody, but you need to decide if this is for you, if the timing is right, and if you seriously are ready to create some generational wealth for you and your family online, just like I am. Drop me a heart emoji here.